Welcome everyone to the next lecture of Osha online training. Today our topic is material safety data sheet. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it, like it and share it with your friends so people can get any benefit and knowledge. So today's lecture outlines are what is material safety data sheet, and second point is what information is included in material safety data sheet. So this is basically a technical document that provides complete and in detail information which may be related to health of the worker as a result of exposure to material in the work area. It may consist of those materials information which may have some hazards to the health of the worker in the work area. Different kind of information relating to different materials and products would be mentioned in material safety data sheet. And secondly, it is related to the evaluation of hazards of material. Different kind of materials would be evaluated and the hazards associated and linked with it would be found out. So material safety data sheet is a technical document which may have information regarding to materials, how much they are toxic and how much they are hazardous to the workers working with them. All of these information would be there in the material safety data sheet. It would also include information about storage and usage of materials, which may be hazardous, which may not be hazardous, but all of the information would be there. It would also include those measures and steps and precautions which may have to be taken in order to protect the worker from certain kind of risks relating with different materials. Information regarding emergency procedure will also be listed, because if the worker is in the danger, so what emergency procedure would be taken in that case. This is called a material safety data sheet. Now, explicitly talking about what information is included in material safety data sheet. So the first thing it include is personal protective equipment. Complete information regarding personal protective equipment is there in the material safety data sheet regarding the work area. The second is environmental information, that for example different kind of materials in the industry is used, what is the impact of it on the environment, because those material usage may lead to the disposal of certain kind of chemicals and different materials which may not be good for the environment. So in that case it's also taken into the consideration. Third point is chemical and physical properties. The chemical and physical properties of a material is also taken into consideration in order to see what chemical effect it may have and what physical effect it may have on the worker. Fourth thing is the reactivity and stability. It would be checked and listed in the material safety data sheet that what is the reactivity level of the product, either it is reactive or not. The transport information is also taken into consideration if the material or product in large quantity is taken from one place to another in the industry or outside. So all of these transportation consideration is taken into account, because ultimately it may have bad effect on the environment. Toxicological data has been taken about the product and material. The safety officer and the management level would have to make sure that either the product is toxic or not. If it is toxic, then certain kind of measures and precautions should have to be taken in the storage and usage of it, because it may have hazardous effect on the environment and on the worker as well. Ecological information would also be taken into consideration. If there is a material and it is not good for the ecosystem or the living organisms in the environment, if the material is disposed and it is being driven to the sea water, and then in that case it may be hazardous for the sea animals. So all of these things would be taken into consideration and would be written in the MSDS. Any other relevant information about the materials would also be taken into consideration, so that there is a safe work in the industry and there is no harm and hazardous effect on the environment, ecosystem, workers and other relevant areas. So guys, this was about material safety data sheet. Hope that you like it. If you like it, then please share it, subscribe and like my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Take care and bye.